Cape Town, South Africa is the playground for a never-before-seen big wave contest. For the very first time, Rebel Media announced the Rebel Session 2011. Over a period of 100 days, the best big wave surfers in South Africa will be filmed, photographed, and rewarded with 100,000 Rand by the Rebel TV crew for the 10 best days of surf 15 feet or over at the Cape of Storms. Today, we will follow these suicidal madmen to the legendary Dungeons Reef at Houtbay.
Dungeons is quite a wide playing field, so there's definitely a bit of luck which comes into it. And if you're having that luck on the day, then you're the standout.
You know, the Dungeons playing field is so wide, and there's so much going on, especially when the wind's blowing at 25 knots, you know. And Dungeons, on the best days, it's really hard, you know, just when the conditions are as good as they get out there. We've got some really good barrels, some big waves, a lot of hectic wipeouts. You've got to get a wave in the right place, and you've got to get a wave that's not too windy, and you've got to get a wave that's not too steep and not too, you know, slamming on the reef type of thing. So getting the mix right is really, really difficult. All in all, I mean, a really good day paddling at Dungeons. You know, we don't. This year, that was pretty much our first day we've had out there. It was just good to get out there and paddle and be on it again. Yeah, well, hopefully the winter's not over yet. We'll get some more now, you know.
And of course they will, so stay tuned to Rebel TV for more crazy big wave action from the Rebel Session 2011.